Some people get what they want, without ever raising their voice. They don't beg. They don't threaten. They persuade, quietly, covertly, completely. These 7 tricks are used by manipulators, leaders, and negotiators alike. They're based on real psychological principles. Use them responsibly, because once you know these, there's no going back. 1. The yes ladder. Start small, build momentum, then go for the real ask. This is called the yes ladder, a compliance technique. If you get someone to say yes to small things, their brain gets into a rhythm. They're more likely to say yes to a bigger request afterward. Example: do you agree honesty's important? Yes. Do you think open communication builds trust? Yes. Great. So can we talk about insert request? It sounds simple, but this method has been proven to increase agreement rates dramatically. 2. The Benjamin Franklin effect. This is backwards, but it works. Want someone to like you? Ask them to do you a favor. When people do something kind for you, their brain justifies it by thinking, I must like this person. Why else would I help them? Instead of trying to earn someone's favor, get them to invest effort in you. 3. The authority leak. You don't need to say, I'm the expert. You hint at it. Subtle cues of authority, like referencing experience, dropping niche knowledge, or appearing calm under pressure, boost your persuasive power. People are wired to listen to those who seem like they know what they're doing. You don't need a title. You just need presence and precision. 4. The scarcity trap. When something feels limited, it feels valuable. Manipulators create this illusion all the time. This opportunity won't be here tomorrow. I don't normally share this. I almost didn't even tell you. When people feel like access is limited, they value it more, and they comply faster. 5. Reframing rejection. Instead of fearing no, you can use it. Start by asking for something big, something they'll likely reject. Then follow it with what you really want. The first no makes the second request feel smaller, easier, and more reasonable. This is called the door-in-the-face technique. It's classic, and it works better than most realize. 6. The label trick. Want someone to act a certain way? Label them, subtly. You strike me as someone who's really thoughtful. Now they feel pressure to be thoughtful. You seem like someone who values honesty. Now lying feels inconsistent with their identity. By assigning a label, you shape behavior without force. 7. Silence as a weapon. Silence is uncomfortable, but it's powerful. When you pause after making a point or after asking a question, people rush to fill the gap. They talk more. They reveal more. They comply more. In high-pressure moments, the person who controls silence often controls the outcome. These tactics are subtle, but they work. They tap into how the brain processes trust, pressure, and logic. But if you're here to understand, protect yourself, and communicate better, you've already won. Subscribe to NeuroEdge for more deep dives into dark psychology and human behavior.